There is a warning notification for anyone who sees the broadcast from Easy Plus. There is a person with a weird name with orange hair and eyes closed and eyelashes and with a bit of blush, and she is a girl with a yellow shirt. Stay tuned for more information about this. Hi guys, sorry to interrupt. This is an emergency note from New York City Police Department. The girl that I confirmed appeared to be a Roblox character, and her name is Summer X Chestnut, and she is identified as a girl who plays Roblox all the time, but took away long time ago to make sure she's identified. Hi guys, if you didn't know, Summer Chestnut is roaming around the world and kills people with her friend Always Bright. She has a curly hair and she is Heddles with only one leg and kills two. If you didn't know, go to alertsafetyhelp.com. Hello, a Roblox character named Winterx Laven, and with Summerx Chestnut is happening to go in your area. Please hide until they get here. There is a serious warning. Be careful. There is characters called Ghostix Laven and Cloudx Laven. Someone of them are in the area and someone else are haunting the people, and one of them are even holding people hostage in scary places. All of the Robloxians got into your area. Be sure to have your phone charger and mobile devices and pets and kids, and make sure you have emergency supplies and food and water in case if you are hungry. Today, since the end came, the Robloxians actually left New York behind and got to their place, and will come back again when it's 2027.